Good morning, friends. Welcome to this vlog this morning. Once again, I welcome you. What I'm showing you is a green piece of land everywhere as far as your sight can reach. Beautiful, isn't it? So, all this is because of a wonderful monsoon season that we have had. So this yellowish building that you are seeing on your screen is a government Marathi school. About 16 guntas of our ancestral property was donated for this government school, and the rest is here. So thank God for this beautiful weather and for this season. Enjoy your day and stay blessed.